Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to do parallel parking between the two cones. Let's go and do parallel parking between the two cones and go beside the first cone. Keep 1 meter distance from the cone and look for the first cone from the back window like this. See cone in the back window, then turn one time to right side, only one time, okay? And then come back and see the same cone behind the right mirror like this, yes, like this, and then turn all the way to left, and here you go, your car is parked between the two cones like this. That's it. That's a perfect parallel parking between the two cones. Hope my video will help you to learn the parking properly. And for the more videos like this, you can like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. 416-275-3965.